Having trouble breathing or snoring every night? This simple nasal strip opens your nose in seconds. No pills, no sprays, just relief. It gently lifts your nasal passages to open airways. 100% drug-free. Say goodbye to snoring and congestion. Whether it's allergies, a cold, or even a deviated septum, these strips help you breathe clearly and sleep peacefully. Plus, they're hypoallergenic and latex-free. These strips are clear, soft, and flexible. So comfortable you'll forget you're wearing one. Perfect for sensitive skin and ideal for day or night use. Ready to breathe easier tonight? Grab your 44-pack of Breathe Right Extra Clear strips from Amazon UAE and start sleeping better, naturally.